Hi, this is Donna Anderson from the NDSU Extension in Eddy and Foster County, and today we're going to make a young people's favorite. It's called the Green Monster Smoothie. Our ingredients are ice, 4 ounces of vanilla yogurt, a cup of frozen strawberries, a banana, and 2 cups of baby spinach. And we're also going to be using 1/4 cup of milk. There is a difference between liquid and dry measuring, and we're using a liquid measuring cup. So when we're putting a 1/4 cup, that's 2 ounces. And we measure it by looking at it from the side. There's our 2 ounces of skim milk. Using skim milk, it has less fat. Okay, so in our equipment that we're using today, we have a spatula and we have our blender. So we're going to start with just putting our ingredients in. Let's just go ahead and put our spinach in first. And this is where the Green Monster comes in. And spinach is wonderful because it takes on the flavors of some of the other foods that we're going to be utilizing today. We're going to place our banana in here. And actually, I'm just going to break this into pieces to make it less work for our blender. Okay, we're going to put in our strawberries. We're going to put in our 4 ounces of vanilla yogurt. And let's scrape all that goodness into our blender. We're going to put in our 1/4 cup of skim milk. And we're also going to put some ice in here as well. And we're going to kind of measure it out, and we're going to see what kind of thickness we want in here. So we're just going to start off with a few cubes. So probably about a cup of cubes to begin with. Okay, let's put the lid on. Make sure that lid is secure, otherwise you'll end up with a mess. And let's go ahead and we're gonna chop it first. And then let's stop that. And then let's parade it. Okay. We might have to adjust some things in our blender. Make sure the blender is off before you mess with it. And let's go back, put the lid back on. And that's going in there. And since those strawberries are frozen, they're like little ice cubes. So we're crushing them. Remember to turn that off. On this blender, the crushed ice will keep going. It doesn't stop just because you push up. And if you're looking from the top of this, you can see that it is starting to mix up very nicely. Almost looks like Christmas. Got some red and some green in there. It looks like we're going to do a little bit more ice crush. Okay, we're going to stop it there, and now we're going to do the parade. Okay, it looks like it's all ready to be served up. And here is our green monster smoothie. Bon appetit!